Thank you for staying tuned to WION. I'm Samiksha Srivastava. Let's begin the edition with the headlines you're tracking this hour. Plumes of smoke seen over Iran's northwestern city of Tabriz. Israeli forces conduct fresh strikes on Parshan, which houses Iranian military complex. A New York Times report quoting a US official says that American military and intel officials have detected signs of possible retaliation. Report says Iran-backed groups preparing to attack US bases in Iraq and possibly Syria. Netanyahu says that Israel has interesting intel on location of Iran's 60% enriched uranium. Bibi also says Israel's strikes in Iran will not end prematurely. Iran's permanent envoy at the United Nations Security Council slams Israel and US for politically motivated attacks on Iran, says the Non-Proliferation Treaty used as a pretext for unlawful action on the country. Israel's United Nations envoy accuses Iran of using negotiations as camouflage to buy time to build missiles enriched uraniums. Defense Israeli attacks, says cost of inaction would have been catastrophic. Trump posts another statement, repeats that US has caused quote-unquote monumental damage to the nuclear sites in Iran. The post further says that hits were hard and accurate. United States President has hinted at a need for regime change in Iran. While saying that regime change is not a politically correct term, Trump accuses the current establishment of not making Iran great again. Iran's Foreign Minister Abbas Araghchi is now in Moscow to meet Putin and other Russian officials. Araghchi says he will discuss tackling common challenges and threats with Putin. France is preparing to evacuate its nationals from Israel. A French A400M military aircraft to be sent to Israel, subject to clearance from Tel Aviv. Fire crews battle a large wildfire on Greek island of Chios. Officials evacuate 16 settlements as strong winds further spread flames and thick smoke.